If you want to stop smoking, as soon as possible, and once for all, then watch this short video until the end. The best way for you to stop smoking forever, and naturally, is to first prepare your mind. If you are watching this video, it is because you have already made the decision that you want to stop smoking. So, you are already on the right track, because the more times you think about quitting, the more the thought becomes stronger in your mind. And this way, it is much easier to stop smoking forever. Many people try to stop smoking by using products that promise the eternal healing of cigarettes. But unfortunately, these people are victims of false advertising, and they come back to smoke again, even after using these products. The reason for this is very simple. When a person uses such a product, he totally expects that the product will do all the work for him. And this is bad, because the truth is that his mind is not ready to quit. And if your mind is not well prepared to stop smoking, you will probably end up smoking again after, like the people who use these products. But this is not what will happen to you. So now, start thinking about the reasons that make you want to stop. Imagine right now, what would be better in your life, if you never smoked again. Talk to your family, and your friends, that you have made the decision, that you will quit smoking once and for all. By doing this, they can help, and support you during this transition process. And finally, always have positive thoughts. Speak out loud that you will stop smoke. Always have the positive thought in your mind, that you will succeed. Do not expect that products will do the work of quitting smoking for you, because they will not solve your problem. Have faith, and keep making your thought stronger, the thought that you will quit smoking, once and for all. To make this entire process easier for you, there is a special thing that you can do. To find out what it is, access the link in the description, right below this video. By following the next steps, you will stop smoking naturally, and forever. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. This will help other smokers to find this video, so they can also know the truth, and do not fall into the trap of buying these products that do not solve the real problem. And also, do not forget to access the link that is in the description, just below this video, because it is your next step, to quit smoking in a natural, and definitive way. Good luck.